Welcome to class. We have a question here that's from JAMB 2023, and the question is evaluate 5 over 8 minus 3 over 4 divided by 5 over 12 times 1 over 4. So as usual, please pause the video, try to solve it so we can compare our answers together. Okay, so here we are, and we go on to solve, and we're going to do something. The best way we can solve this is for us to remember this guy here. Please pardon me, I was just down with cold, so that's why my voice is not really clear, so you need to bear with me. Thank you. So we go with this guy here. Of course, both must be the bracket. We look for any bracket. There's no bracket here, so if we look for O is for off. Anything that has off here, no. We go for D, that's division. Anything that has division, yes, we have division here. So we have division here, and then we're gonna start with this to work with division. And for us to work with division, we're gonna change it to times. But before then, let us do something. Let's bring these guys down again. Okay, so immediately we change this division sign to multiplication. Something will happen here. This first fraction that was after the division sign will change. We are going to invert it, meaning the denominator will now become the numerator here, and the numerator will become the denominator. That is just the magic. Immediately we introduce times. We replace division sign with times following BODMAS, and then this other one will remain the same. We bring them down, and then we will start doing our division. All right, so okay, we have 4 here. Let's just start with this 4 here. 4 here. Let's start with this 4. This 4 here is going to cancel itself. How many times? It's going to cancel itself 1 time. It's coming to this 12. How many times? Coming to this 12 3 times. Good. And then is there any other thing that we need to do? Any other cancellation that we need to needs to take place there? Okay, none. Let's keep checking. Okay, so we would have put this, let's put this in brackets so it becomes distinct. There's no other thing that we need to divide. Let's bring down this 5 over 8, this other part of the fraction. That's 5 other part of the expression, 5 over 8 minus. Okay, let's now solve what is inside of this other bracket. That is 3 times 3 here is 9. All right, so we have 9 over what? Okay, 4 times 5 here is 20. Over 5 there is 20. So we have here over 20. All right, it's easy to, now we're finishing up right away. And for us to have that, you now say find the LCM of 8 and 20. Of course, the LCM of 8 and 20 will give us no other number but 40. Okay, we have it 40 LCM of 8 and 20, and then we proceed. 8 comes into 40 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 5 here is what? 25. We have here as 25. Good. And we bring down our subtraction sign. 20 comes into 40 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 9 is what? 18. Good. And of course 25 minus 18 will give us 7, and then we over our denominator. Can these two cancel? No, it cannot. It can cancel, and already it is a proper fraction. So let's check our option if we have any option like that. Of course there is an option there, and that is option C, 7 over 40. So if you have 7 over 40, you're correct. That's the correct answer. Okay, it was very simple. This was the question we were given, and then we wrote it out here and we followed BODMAS. We had division here. Since we had division here, we had to change the division sign to multiplication sign, and since we did that, this fraction will be inverted. 12 will become numerator, 5 became our denominator, and this one remained. Did our cancellation by saying 4 cancel itself, 1 comes into this 12 3 times. Okay, so multiplying it, 3 times 3 gave us this 9, and 4 times 5 gave us this 20. Straight away we went to LCM. We got the LCM of 8 and 20, that was 40, and then we subtracted, then we had 7 over 40. That was it. Okay, so bye bye, see you in the next class.